Teachers and students, first of all, I'd like to say assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today, I am given the opportunity to speak in front of you, and the topic which I have selected is about Allama Iqbal and history. Dr. Muhammad Allama Iqbal envisioned a survision and independent states for the Muslims. A state where Islamic teachings will establish the core ideology, a way of life, and socio-political economic system, practiced as a true religion and celebrated as the ideal way of life. His vision was not merely a dream, rather it was a divine vision, an order from the spiritual domain which was destined to be executed, which already had Almighty's approval, which he brought into existence for a special purpose, the personality appointed by Almighty to propagate the underlying ideology, which ultimately laid the foundation of Pakistan, was Allama Iqbal. Iqbal, he was more than a scholar, more than a philosopher, and more than a saint, and much more than a visionary. We cannot attempt to sum up in one article what this legend really was. Since he himself said once, Iqbal isn't aware what Iqbal really is. But we know and should always remember that he was the one who ignited the spark of self-awareness in the Muslim subcontinent and independence, the blood of Muslim youth of the time. He was soon only the true meaning and the spirit of Islam in the whole otherwise pessimistic monastery. He also aware his nation with his great poetry. I would like to read some poetry with you. He said once, "Kya ajab mere nawah gaye sahargahi ka, kya ajab mere nawah sahargahi ka, zinda ho jaye wo atesh ke teri khak mein hai." Allama Iqbal uplifted the spirit of Muslims at the time of great misery and darkness, at the time when the nations, Hindus and British rulers who lived in no stones unturned to benefit the Muslims, deploying all the resources and means to manage the Muslims' identity and exerting full force to crush it as an ideological nation. The actual British ruler had no intention to doing any good to Muslims, and instead they continued the Hindus through the Muslims nation in the front of the Hindus scavengers as the whole display. He made Muslims realize what they actually are, what their true stature is, and that they shouldn't be overwhelmed by any kind of complex fear and frustration. So good point. अपनी मिल्लत पर कयास अक़वाम मग़रिब से ना कर, अपनी मिल्लत पर कयास अक़वाम मग़रिब से ना कर, हाथ से तरकीब में कौमे रसूल हाशमी. He led Muslims and third generation to Shahid, welcome, and give them the inspiration to have vision, the flight, the character, and the attitude of life. He established that this character and attitude would actually enable them to reach their destiny and to achieve what they deserve, and they reach their lost glory. I would like to end my debate with some good poetry. तू शाहीन है परवाज़ से काम तेरा, तू शाहीन है परवाज़ से काम तेरा, तेरे सामने आसमान और भी है. नहीं तेरा नशेमन कसरे सुल्तानी की गुंबद पर, नहीं तेरा नशेमन कसरे सुल्तानी की गुंबद पर, तू शाहीन है बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की छलांग पर.